Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I turn this into that. So basically today what I'm going to work with is extension hair or clip-ins. So my clip-ins look like this. I tried to get clip-ins that match the natural texture of my hair for the most part. I wanted something like very kinky. I got these off Amazon, and if I can remember the brand name that it's called, I will put it down here somewhere. But I mean, they're okay. It wasn't what I was expecting. I was expecting more length because I think I got something like the 16 or 18 inch, but I was thinking it was going to be 16 or 18 inches like curly, not total. But I've never bought clip-ins before, so now I know, in the future I'll just, add extra length to it. But anyway, so I'm just gonna work with what I have, and I'm gonna do a high bun with a little bayang. I gotta put the bayang on it. And so if you're interested in seeing how I get that done, stay tuned. So the first thing I need to do is just tame this situation. My hair has been blow dried for about a week and a half, so I'm just going to put some moisturizer in it and some oils. I'm using a liquid cream of nature leave-in conditioner here, and I'm just gonna spray around. Then I'm using one of my new faves from MIELLE or MIELLE, I'm not really sure how to say it, but it's the leave-in conditioner from her pomegranate honey hairline, and I really love this one. It's very smooth and thick, which I need for my hair. Alright, so after all moisturized, I didn't comb through my hair because that would have been a whole nother video for detangling hair that hasn't been combed through in a week and a half. But I did moisturize it just to make it soft enough to brush it without feeling like it's gonna break or snap. Anyway, so I'm gonna brush all of my hair up. I'm gonna make a high bun. And to do that, I'm gonna use some gel and some edge control. I'm using the Eco Styler gel, and this is just some edge control that I got from some kind of hair show that I did. It's called Dax, but I like it, it works. If you have any other edge control suggestions, let me know in the comments, because I'm always looking for, things to try, new things to try. And I don't usually put a lot of gel on my hair, just because I like my hair to look as natural as possible. Let me see if I can do this in real time for you guys. I would like this to be under 10 minutes. We'll see. Whew. My arms get so tired from doing this. Alright, so I want this ponytail to be pretty high. My eyebrows, I look like Maleficent. Make sure you smooth your edges really good. If you want it to be like that, of course. That's probably as much as this ponytail is about to go. If you can get it tighter, great, but if not, don't worry about it. It's fine. They be alright. Okay, next, we're gonna try to put my hair away. So for you ladies who don't have long hair, or medium hair, you'll be able to do this kind of style because we're using clip-ins, not your own natural hair. If my hair was not blow dried and in its natural texture, I probably would use my hair, but I think it would look weird to blend it, and I'm not in the mood, and I don't have the time to wet it right now and style it. So I'm just gonna tuck mine away. So then you're gonna take the clip-ins and you're gonna open up the little clips here. So you just snap them open. And then you're gonna clip them onto the little bun or ponytail that you made. I'm just going to swoop it around like I would do a normal bun. I'm just gonna keep moving it around, kind of tucking it under itself. There we go. Just like I would any other bun. Alright, so my camera died, but what I did while it was charging up a little bit was I just put this scarf around my edges just to hold them down a little bit more. You know, for the final look, it would be cute. Anyways, let's just go ahead and get back to it. So we were talking about a bang. Excuse me, a bayang. I don't know what I was saying. My bad. But so we're talking about a bang. I'm gonna use just 2 pieces for a bang, and I'm gonna see, just kind of play around with it and see how I like it. So what you're gonna do is just push the clip part deep into your bun by the base. First of all, I always thought I looked cute with a bang. Excuse me. Alright, so this is the one piece. Well, there's 2 clips on it, but this is just one of them, which is kind of cute. Alright, so that's one piece. And then, if I want to add, it's right here. If I want to add another piece, just for volume, I think what I'll do is I'll put it underneath it so you don't see it. And then we can like swoop it maybe. Make it a side situation. That's cute. Okay, bang. Yes, the bang. Yes, the bang. Okay, come through. This is very cute, and none of my hair is actually out. So this really does look like what my hair would look like when it's wet before it dries and then shrinks to nothing, basically. So I really like this. This is cute. I'm gonna do this a lot more often. All right, come through, Amazon. So you guys let me know which bang is, what's giving you the most bang for your buck? Is it number 1, which is in the front, or number 2, which is this one? Let me know what you guys think. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I wanted it to be a quick and fast video because I just want to get content out there, and filming is something that I really do enjoy. Again, if you guys have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do that here right now. Put your notifications on because I will be filming. I know I tell you this all the time, but I am filming videos. It's just about the editing. So I will be editing videos and just putting out as much content as I can. And follow me on IG because I have more content on there as well. And yeah, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.